Happy Monday, SDPC. It is Joy Ellison back with you again for another Monday Minute, and I cannot wait to show you where I am today. This is an exclusive peek inside our district's innovative early childhood initiative centered around providing quality learning experiences for our youngest learners. Our SDPC Academy for Early Learners officially launched this month, and our 4K students are already busy exploring, creating, and learning in brand new hands-on classrooms. Find out more on this week's Monday Minute. The SDPC Academy for Early Learners is an innovative program based on experiential learning, which means that students are gaining valuable real-world knowledge through purposeful play and immersive environments. Whether they're caring for animals in Pet Central, exploring in Lakeside Wonders, or pretending to be community helpers on Main Street, the students are learning by doing, and they are loving every minute of it. These classrooms are more than just themed spaces. They are carefully designed to spark curiosity, support development, and lay a strong academic foundation for the future. Let's take a look inside.
Children love hands-on learning, and that is very natural for them. Experiential learning provides them the opportunity to learn through doing.
Hi, I'm Tracy Boyles. I'm the Executive Director of Early Childhood Education for the School District of Pickens County, and I have the privilege of leading the SDPC Academy for Early Learners, our new experiential learning program in 4K. We're very excited about our experiential learning environments because we know that experience matters. Students who are in these environments are playing, but they're doing so much more than that. It's an intentional setting where we're building strong foundations for kindergarten readiness.
How many? What's that number? 1. All right, pick one butterfly.
So how are we doing that? In these environments, the children are engaging with the tools, the work, in a very hands-on, exploratory way.
They are really immersed in so many new vocabulary words. You just see so much more curiosity and engagement from them. I'm watching them discover a genuine love for learning because it's meaningful and connected to the classrooms they're in.
How much is that going to be?
It's going to be $5.
$5? Okay.
In our immersive classrooms, we're certainly operating off of what we know about how children learn. A child in birth to 5 space has a rapidly developing brain, and so we're leveraging that by putting them in these active experiences that give them the ability to remember what they experienced. We're trying to create spaces that build background knowledge for students to become successful readers.
I cannot overstate how wonderful it is that the teachers are working so hard and they are so intentional in planning their stations for students. They are learning so many things, vocabulary, and having experiences in their classroom every day. It's just been an amazing, amazing thing.
The children have loved it. They've adjusted well. They are excited to come to school every day. We've done a preview on our next experience, and they are thrilled to be going to learn about something next.
The launch of our SDPC Academy for Early Learners marks an exciting new beginning for preschool in our district. We can't wait to watch these students grow, explore, and thrive in their new classrooms. Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's Monday Minute. We hope you'll join us next week to find out where we are, who we're talking to, and what great things are happening in the school district of Pickens County.